Hi guys, this is AJ and welcome to Ask blog. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to change Google profile picture. So if you really find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. To change a Google profile picture through browser, first of all you need to open your regular browser. In my case, I like to use the Google Chrome, so I'm going to open the Google Chrome. Now go to the google.com or gmail.com website, whichever website do you prefer to use, and then sign into your Google account. Once you will sign into your Google account, you will be able to see a profile picture on the right hand side corner, just like you can see here. Now click on it and then go to the manage your Google account. After clicking on the manage your Google account, you will reach to the Google account page. Here you need to click on the personal info, which is available in the left menu, and then scroll down a bit. After that, click on photo. Once you will click on the photo section, you will be able to see your current profile picture along with two options. One will be the remove option. So if you want to remove your profile picture, you can simply click on the remove button. In case if you want to change your profile picture, you can simply click on the change button. After clicking on the change button, you will be able to see two another options. One will be upload, another one will be camera. In case if you want to click a picture through your laptop's camera, then you need to click on the camera. Right after that, a camera pop-up window will be open on your screen. You can click your picture and then save it as a Google profile picture. In case if you have already selected a picture and it is available in the computer, you need to click on the upload button and then click on the choose photo to upload. Here you need to select a profile picture that you want to upload. In my case, I want to upload this picture, so I'm going to click on it and then click on. Once you will click on the open button, Google will start uploading a picture. Once it will be uploaded, you will be able to see there a picture. You need to click on save as profile picture. Now it will be saving your profile picture. This might take several seconds. Once the profile picture will be updated, you will be able to see a message profile picture will update soon. You need to click on the got it button. That's it. Your profile picture has been updated now. In case if you can't see your new profile picture on your browser, you can try to log in your account through incognito window or another browser. You will be able to see there your profile picture, or you can delete the cookies of your browser and then re-log in your account. You will be able to see your profile picture then. So this was the video about how to change a Google profile picture. In case if you need any other help related to the Google account or any other things, you can simply comment down below. We will definitely try to make a video on it and help you with that. Thank you for watching Ask Pro Blogs.